Hey guys, today I'm gonna make lasagna two ways. First, I'm gonna make a squash lasagna, which is for my son. I like to hide vegetables in his favorite foods. So first, I'm gonna peel and chop my butternut squash into chunks like this. Then I'm gonna cook it in boiling water to soften up the butternut squash. I'm also gonna add some of this Mexican squash, and I'm gonna cut it into cubes and add it towards the end of the butternut squash cooking. Once they're done, we're gonna go ahead and drain the water out. You could keep them chunky like this, or do what I do. I mash it up so my son doesn't see the big old chunks of vegetable. But you can skip this step if you prefer. Now we're gonna move on to make our filling. I'm gonna use 1 egg, some of this ricotta cheese, which is 15 ounces, some sea salt, some butternut squash pasta sauce, some Italian style cheese, and we're only using half of this container of ricotta because we're gonna make a second lasagna later. So just half of the container, as you can see, and again 15 ounces. For this one I'm gonna add the egg, so my son has a little extra protein and it adds some type of texture to it. And a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of each of garlic and onion powder. Then we're just gonna give this a mix and set that aside for now. We're gonna go ahead and cook our noodles just per instructions on your pasta box or bag. Now we're gonna layer our ingredients. First, some of this butternut squash marinara sauce that I bought. Now our cooked noodles. On top of that, we're gonna add some more of the butternut squash marinara sauce. And now, depending if you left your vegetables whole or you smashed them up, go ahead and add your veggie mash or your pieces of vegetable. On top of that, we're going to add our ricotta mixture. And the layer on top of that is going to be some of the shredded Italian style cheese. And we're just going to repeat that until we use up our ingredients for this lasagna. Once you're done layering all of that, you're going to go ahead and bake this at 350 for 30 to 45 minutes. It all depends on your oven. I use a toaster oven, so I might take less time than yours. Or you can also freeze it for a make-ahead meal. And there you go. Go ahead and enjoy. And he didn't know that there was vegetables in this. So now I'm going to make the second, which is a basic lasagna. I'm going to start off with my layer of marinara sauce. This time I'm using this vodka sauce. On top of that, I'm going to add some of my noodles, my cooked noodles. On top of that, some of this Italian sausage that I cooked up. And now I'm going to add some of my ricotta. As you can see, it's not liquidy, so I didn't add the egg to this one. Everything else is the same, just no egg in the mixture. And my cheese, instead of using the Italian style, I'm using some shredded mozzarella and some Parmesan cheese. And you're just going to repeat the layers until you finish your ingredients for this lasagna. Okay. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and bake this at 350 for 35 to 45 minutes and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you guys next video. Bye!